Instagram has introduced a new feature that allows you to translate direct messages within the app, making communication across different languages seamless and effortless. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the Paper Airplane or Messenger icon in the top right corner of your feed to access your direct messages. Open the chat conversation containing the message you want to translate. Press and hold the message bubble written in a foreign language that you want to translate. A menu will appear with the new Translate option. If you don't see it, ensure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now tap on it to translate the message. If you are using the Translate feature for the first time, a pop-up window will appear. Tap OK to proceed. The translated text will appear instantly below the original message. This feature supports translations in up to 99 languages, making it easier to connect with people worldwide. You can also choose to hide or show the translated text whenever you prefer. So that's how you can translate direct messages on Instagram.